Unlike conventional religious orders, the Crucifers shall follow canon law in regards to secular institutes and societies of apostolic life, dictated in paragraphs 710 to 755. Here we shall note select passages in regards to secular institutions. By definition, a secular institute is an institute of consecrated life in which the Christian faithful, living in the world, strive for the perfection of charity, and seek to contribute to the sanctification of the world, especially from within. This is of note, for by the presence of the term consecrated life, it follows then that the Crucifers will be bound by verbal promises akin to those of poverty, chastity, and obedience taken by priests, friars, and sisters. Moreover, these vows may build upon those taken by the clergy, as stated in paragraphs 711 and 713. The consecration of a member of a secular institute does not change the member's proper canonical condition among the people of God, whether lay or clerical, with due regard to the precepts of the law which refer to institutes of consecrated life. In the world and from the world, lay members participate in the evangelizing function of the Church, whether through the witness of a Christian life and a fidelity toward their own consecration, or through the assistance they offer to order temporal things according to God and to inform the world by the power of the gospel. Spiritual life will be the heart of the order, with communion and penance frequent in reception. Paragraph 719 states this in rote. The celebration of the Eucharist, daily if possible, is to be the source and strength of their whole consecrated life. They are to approach freely the sacrament of penance, which they are to receive frequently. Marriage of members will be a concern. Paragraph 714 of Canon Law states that members of a secular order can live with their families, but paragraph 721 denies entrance for members who currently exist in marriage. A general rule will be to follow the precepts of the United States Conference of Catholic Bishops, who forbid married laity to assume the diaconate until the age of 35. This is to avoid paternal responsibilities from conflicting with the individual's spiritual functions. However, due to experience in the armed forces, we have found that married service members are less functional than single soldiers, and this knowledge will carry over to the Crucifers. There will be a process of selection in the Crucifers, a combination of both religious discernment through the Crucifers' leadership as well as that of military selection. Criteria will be listed in the future to denote whether an aspirant is capable of assuming the lifestyle of the Crucifers. On the other hand, members are allowed to depart the Crucifers after careful discernment. Paragraph 726 states, "For a grave cause, a temporarily incorporated member who freely petitions, it is able to obtain an indult of departure from the Supreme Moderator with the consent of the Council. Naturally, once a member reaches certain status and experience, he is bound for life."